In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TradingView chart to default layout. If your chart has picked up a lot of styling changes over time, or you've been experimenting and want a clean slate, this quick reset will restore the standard look and feel, so you can continue analyzing with a familiar baseline. Start by opening the chart you want to reset. Make sure the chart is visible and active on your screen. In the main graph area, right-click. This simple action confirms you're interacting with the chart itself and brings focus to chart-related options, which helps keep everything in the correct context for the next steps. Now, look toward the bottom right of the chart and click the gear icon. This is the settings control for your chart appearance and behavior. It's where TradingView keeps most of the visual and formatting options you've likely adjusted in the past. From there, select More Settings. This expands the settings window to show the full set of options available, beyond the quick controls. Think of this as the comprehensive area where styles, scales, background, and other presentation details are grouped together. In the window that appears, move to Template. You'll find this section at the bottom left of the settings window. Templates are collections of appearance preferences, things like colors, grid lines, session breaks, candle styles, and more. By using templates, you can quickly switch between sets of looks or restore the default one. Choose Apply Defaults. This tells TradingView to revert the current chart's appearance to the platform's standard template. You should expect the background, grid, candle, or bar styling and other visual elements to snap back to the default configuration. This doesn't change your market data or symbols. It simply resets how the chart is displayed. Finally, click Save. Saving locks in those default settings for the chart you're working on, so the next time you open it, the appearance remains clean and consistent. If you've been testing custom styles, saving here ensures you won't revert back accidentally, and that's it. With just a right click, a trip to the gear icon, more settings, template, apply defaults, and save, your TradingView chart returns to a reliable default layout. This is especially helpful before sharing your screen, creating screenshots, or starting a fresh analysis session. If you need to customize again later, you can always revisit the same settings and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly reset chart.